Crookes performed an experiment using a discharge tube, which was also known as Crookes tube or cathode ray tube. Basically, he conducted this experiment to find out that how the electricity is being conducted by a gas under low pressure. So he passed an electricity of 10,000 volt, and what he observed that any gas, he never mentioned about the name of the gas. So he passed on 10,000 volt electricity, and he found that a beam of particles, a ray of beam of particles were coming from the cathode. There were two electrodes, cathode the negative electrode and anode the positive electrode. So a beam of particles were coming from the cathode and it was moving towards the anode. What he observed was this. And then he also observed that these beam of particles were moving in a straight line, and because they were coming from cathode, so he named the rays as cathode rays, and he mentioned that the first property of the cathode rays was it passes in a straight line, it travels through straight line. Number two, he observed that the rays were moving towards the anode, that was positive electrode, and so he said that basically they contain the negatively charged particles because it was moving towards a positive anode. So that means there was negative and positive was getting attracted. Third thing, what he observed that when these rays were actually hitting zinc sulfide, it made them, shine fluorescently. There was a fluorescent green yellow light on the zinc sulfide screen, and he named these rays as the cathode rays.